Alright guys, I was feeling crazy today because I went to the farmer's market and the local Amish family had um, Carolina Reapers. I got all these 30 of them for $2, but that is not what I'm doing today. I had this beautiful peach habanero that I grew in my garden. I have 28 of those out there that I'm gonna make salsa with in the next couple of days. These Reapers are gonna be in a hot sauce, so I'm not that brave today, but I'm gonna eat this and we'll see how hot it is. Wow. I'm glad it's not a Reaper. Ah. Instant regret. But anyway. Ah. Ah. Burned. Oh, hiccups. Here we go. Hiccups. That's always a good sign. Anyway, that's my peach habanero, and we'll see how long I can go without having to drink some milk. I don't think it's going to be very long, so. Oh. Boy, that's hot. It's gonna be a good salsa, man. Anyway. I'll regret it tomorrow.